Hello, and welcome to Art with Miss Michelle. Today we're going to draw a polar bear. So for this project, you'll need some white chalk and a dark blue paper, and then either a black crayon or a colored pencil or any kind of black drawing utensil. Okay, so you can decide which direction you want your paper to go. It doesn't really matter. You can do it this way or this way. And we're just going to draw the polar bear's head. So I think I'm going to do mine this way. So I'm going to start with my chalk, and I'm just going to draw a curved line, kind of like a rainbow. And I want to take up as much of my paper as I can, or at least most of it. So I'm going to start close to the edge over here, and then I'm just going to kind of curve my line up, and then I'm going to curve it back down and try to end in just about the same place on the other side. So I have a curved line, that's going to be my polar bear's head. And then I'm going to make a much smaller line that's kind of the same. So, whoops, that's okay. So I'm just going to make his ears. So I'm going to make one curved line on each side of his head. Then I can color everything in with my white. So it'll be like the white fur of a polar bear. And with this chalk, it's kind of dusty, so I like to start at the top and then work my way down. If I start at the bottom and go up, then I'm going to get a lot of chalk on my hand. And then since I'm right-handed, if I start on the left side and work my way over, then I can hopefully minimize the amount of chalk I get on my hand. If you get some on yourself, that's okay. But it's a little bit easier to keep your picture neat if you don't get a lot of chalk on yourself. And I can either use the tip like this, or if I want to turn it on its side, I can use this side of my chalk to color that in. Okay, so there's that dust I was talking about. So what I can do is just take the edges of my paper and just give it a little tap. Hopefully you'll have an art mat so you won't get it all over your table like me. And then once I'm done with that, so I have a little polar bear like peeking up from the bottom of my page, then I'm going to switch to my black, and I can draw the inside of his ears. So I'm just going to make the same shape as his ear, but a little bit smaller. And then I can make his eyes. So I can either just do two little dots for the eyes, or if I want to make a circle and then his eyeball, I can do that. Oops. And then for his nose, I can either make a upside down triangle or an oval. Either one would be fine. And then I'll color that in. And then I could leave it like that, or if I want to add a little mouth, I can make one line curve out to one side and one line curve out to the other side. And then if I want to add some snowflakes, I can add some dots on my sky here. So it looks like he's in a snowy place. Alright, so there's my polar bear. I hope you like this project. Thanks for watching my video, and happy polar bear drawing.